Hey, I'm Shreyesh. I'm a graphic designer, a photographer, and many more. So, today's topic is gonna be about, will AI take over graphic design? Yes, graphic designers will be replaced, but it would only affect the graphic designers who aren't going with the times, who aren't constantly learning new things and figuring out new problems and answering them. And yeah, those graphic designers will be replaced. So, by saying that, AI isn't all bad. Like, it could be a partnership between graphic designers and AI. For example, AI could be a helping hand for the designers of today. It could support the designers to make work much faster. So with the helping hand of AI, we designers could do that. So what can AIs do? I believe one of the best things AI could do in the future would be personas. So what are personas, you may ask? So personas are who or what we are designing for, what type of person we are designing for, what type of group, the identity of the group or the person in that group. By saying this, a persona helps design for a certain group, and designing for a certain group helps increase the business and company tenfold. So, if AI could do that for you and know what works and what doesn't, that's gonna be amazing. AI could make a variety of designs extremely faster than ever before. Like having color palettes and patterns and stuff like that. Designers back then would have taken days to do this. But now, because of AI, you can just drop your design down and get different colors, different variations of design and patterns and color schemes in a matter of a few minutes. So, I did tell you the pros about AI, but there are many cons. At the moment, AI is not that great. It's gonna take at least a few more years to get better and learn more. And because of AI, many jobs will be gone. It will be taken over because AI is cheaper, faster, and it can work 24/7. Anywhere, anytime. Yeah, a lot of people will lose their jobs, and that's hard to hear for a lot of people. Mainly, right now, most people know about Wix, Squarespace, where you can make your own website without even coding a single code. So, because of that, web designers are getting affected right now. And as the years go by, and these platforms will grow and get better, and humans won't be able to compete. You could still do web design, but mainly the small little things. Everything else would be templates or pre-made for you. So yeah, web designers are competing against AI at the moment. And graphic designers are as well, with apps like Canva where you can just get a template and just jot things down, and people think that's the cheaper way and that's how they should do it. And it's pretty much free to use it. Yeah, that is hurting graphic designers, but the difference between that and a graphic designer has to mainly do with the research behind their work. We're not gonna design something completely random. That's bad graphic designing. We're gonna design with meaning and research behind it, the where and why things are there. And because of that, kind of sets us apart from AI. Who knows in the future, maybe it will change. Maybe that statement I just stated would change, but at the moment it hasn't. Don't be afraid. If you're an upcoming graphic designer, or even if you've been in the graphic design industry for a while, don't be afraid of AI. Like I said before, try to learn, try to grow from this. Like in the past, we didn't have computers. There were still graphic designers, and they had to learn how to use computers. And now it's our turn to learn how to work with AI to better our graphic design. Therefore, don't be afraid. And if you're a good designer, then you should be fine. This is Shreyesh. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions about graphic design or art or anything in the art field. Also, give my video a like and subscribe to my channel if you may. And I guess that's it for today. See See you next time. Have a great day. And this is Shreyesh.